Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chicken malai tikka. For this we need butter, curd, salt to taste, cheese, dry fenugreek leaf, garam masala, fresh cream, boneless chicken, ginger paste, garlic paste, chicken breast, vinegar. First take chicken breast, cut it and make it boneless. Now cut it into small cubes, approximately 1 inches cubes. Transfer it into a bowl. Now add half a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoon of curd. Add salt to taste. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Add pinch of black pepper powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. Mix it again. Now add half a teaspoon of cheese. You can use any cheese. I am using processed cheese. Now add half a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaf. Mix it well. Now keep it on refrigerator. Let it marinate for minimum half an hour, and you can marinate up to 24 hours. So our chicken is marinated. Now mix it again. Add cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch for binding. You can add plain flour also. And now mix it. Add half a teaspoon of fresh cream again, because this is malai tikka, so we are using more fresh cream. Now take a skewer and place the tikkas. Put rest of the marinade over the chicken cubes. Add little fresh cream. Add butter. Now bake it on 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 10 minutes. You can grill also, and after 10 minutes your delicious chicken malai tikka is ready. So try this very tasty recipe. For more instant recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.